Hi everybody, we're gonna do hamburger stroganoff tonight. You need a pound of hamburger, a small package of mushrooms, some Lipton onion soup mix, and a package of egg noodles. Just put your hamburger in your fry pan and get that started. Also get a pot of water so you can cook your egg noodles, and I'll be back. At this time, you can drop in your noodles to start cooking. Also get a half a cup of sour cream. I usually take mine out so it gets the chill off of it, and I'll be back. Okay, once the hamburger's brown, you're gonna put it in a bowl. Then you're gonna grab your mushrooms and you're gonna saute them in this grease. Okay, so there's my hamburger. And just throw in your mushrooms. And put in your Lipton soup. And get this where your mushrooms are sauteed. And I'll be back. Okay, if things start sticking, if you didn't have a lot of grease, just put in a cup of water and get those mushrooms cooking. And you're gonna cook this for about maybe 5 minutes. At this time, I would like to thank everybody who has subscribed. I had a few more this week, and that's really touching my heart. My mushrooms are almost there. I'm gonna give them probably another 3 minutes, and then I'll be back. And what you're gonna do is you're just gonna put your hamburger in, and then we're gonna add a little bit more water, and it'll cook for about 20 minutes. So I'll be back. Okay, my noodles just went off, so I'll take these out, and I gotta take out a few for my bird. He loves noodles. Okay, so this has gotten kind of thick. So what you're gonna do is pour in your hamburger. Pour that back in. And stir it up. And you're gonna add about 2 more cups of water. Then you're gonna turn this down to about a 2 or 3, and cover it and just let it cook at a low heat. And I'm gonna set my timer. And we'll cover it. And I'll be back in 20 minutes and we'll put it together. Just come in and stir it a couple times, and then I'll be back. This recipe goes really well with cornbread or the 2-ingredient biscuits. So if you want to make those, I have those on my site also. So check out the recipes, and I have 7 minutes left to go, and I'll be back. Okay, as soon as your 20 minutes is up, get your noodles and put them in your pan. And then you're gonna dump this on the noodles. Okay, then you're gonna grab your sour cream and you're gonna pour that in. And then you're just gonna mix this up. Now you can put salt and pepper in it if you would like. Just get it all nice. Put it back on the burner. This is so good after, or on the next day. It's really good. So it's a good leftover meal. Okay. I'll put a little pepper. A little salt. Mix that up. I'm just gonna grab just a little more sour cream. I didn't have a full half cup, so. There. And there we go. There's supper tonight. So it's Hamburger Stroganoff. That's really good. Excellent. Okay, well, you all have a good night. I think tomorrow I'm going to be doing a Cool Whip cake, and it has lemon pudding in it. So if you like lemons, this would be a recipe for you. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Y'all have a good night, and I'll see you tomorrow.